We are going to discuss one more topic: aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids. Aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids. Because what are introduction part? Aldehydes are CHO. Suppose instead of RH, that is called formaldehyde. General introduction for aldehydes. This is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. Instead of H, any methyl group is acetaldehyde. Ethyl group is propanaldehyde. Ketones. Ketones means both groups are alkyl groups only. One carbon ketone is not possible. The minimum number of carbons is nothing but 3 carbons ketones only possible. Whereas one carbon aldehyde also possible. Formaldehyde is possible. But RC double bonds are means here symmetrical ketones or unsymmetrical ketones. There are two types. Example देख लीजिए. Acetone है. This is a ethyl methyl ketone है. Actually this is a 2-butanone. 2-butanone. IUPAC's name is 2-butanone. But a common name is ethyl methyl ketone. Alphabetical order ethyl will come first. Ethyl methyl ketone. This is a. What are given NCERT? I go for introduction part of NCERT also. In both cases, carbonyl group है. Carbonyl group क्या है? Carbonyl group है. ये C double bond O is a carbonyl group है. C double bond O is a carbonyl group है. What is the common is nothing but C double bond O. C double bond O is a carbon. This is called carbonyl compounds. So both aldehydes, ketones are said to be carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds, right? चलो carbonyl compounds का C double bond O बन जाता है. But in case of aldehyde, one alkyl group, one alkyl, one hydrogen. In case of ketone, both are alkyl groups. So that is the only difference between aldehydes and ketones. Rest is same only. That is called a carbonyl group. In carboxylic acid also carbonyl group is present. That's why all three together, aldehydes, ketone, carboxylic acid together put in one chapter, particular chapter. What are carbonyl compounds means? Those compounds which containing C double bond O. C double bond O. So we can define aldehyde, ketones are carbonyl compounds. General introduction part only. The general formula for carbonyl compounds are CnH2nO. For your kind of information, aldehydes, ketones are functional isomers. Aldehydes, ketones. For your kind of information, aldehydes, ketones, unsaturated alcohols, cyclic ethers are functional isomers. Generally, aldehydes, ketone, unsaturated alcohols, cyclic ethers, functional isomers. Their general formula is CnH2nO. For a kind of information, DBE, double bond equivalence. Double bond equivalence for carbonyl compound is equal to 1. Double bond equivalence for carbonyl compound is equal to 1. Because C double bond O, one double bond is there. So double bond equivalent for carbonyl compound is equal to 1. Aldehydes, ketones, unsaturated alcohols, cyclic ethers are functional isomers. Now derivative of carboxylic acid. Derivatives of carboxylic acid. अच्छा कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड में भी आप देख लीजिए कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है ये देखो C double bond O is a carbonyl. अच्छा one more OH group is also present over here. अच्छा देखो OH group is also there. Hydroxyl. हाइड्रोक्साइल है. सो यहां से कार्बो लेको, यहां से कार्बो ले लो, यहां से मीन्स बोथ कॉमन है, कार्बोक्सिल ग्रुप है, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है, कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप है. Both groups are present over here. Both carbonyl group is also there, OH group also there. Now what are derivatives आप देख लीजिए, डेरिवेटिव क्या है. अच्छा, instead of OH X एसिड क्लोराइड है. Instead of OH X is called acid chloride है. X में भी क्लोराइड है, ब्रोमाइड है, आयोडाइड है, वाटर में भी. एसिड क्लोराइड का डेरिवेटिव है, एसिड हैलाइड्स है. अच्छा देखो, इंसिड ऑफ OH एसाइल ग्रुप है, एस्टर होता है. इंसिड ऑफ OH एस्टर होता है, ये एस्टर ग्रुप है. एसिडिक एनहाइड्रेट है, एसिडिक एनहाइड्रेट है. अच्छा, इंसिड ऑफ OR इज एस्टर है, इंसिड ऑफ OR इज कॉल्ड एस्टर है. अच्छा, इंसिड ऑफ NH2 इज एमाइड है, एमाइड है. दीज आर डेरिवेटिव्स ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. अच्छा, what are carboxylic acid and what are derivatives of carboxylic acid? More or less, in all carboxylic acid and derivatives also containing C-double-bond-O. So this is chapter itself is a carbonyl compounds है, carbonyl compounds and carboxylic acids. So acid amides, these are all acid derivatives. Acid halide, acid anhydride, ester, acid amides are derivatives of carboxylic acids. The acid derivatives containing same acyl group है, RC-double-bond-O, maybe ester also. So देखो, अच्छा RC-double-bond-O Cl, acid chloride है. वो C-double-bond-O R, this is a anhydride है, anhydride है. Acid anhydrates है. अच्छा, RC-double-bond-O R डैश, ये एस्टर्स हैं. अच्छा, RC-double-bond-O NH2 एमाइड्स. इसमें कॉमन क्या है? RC-double-bond-O is a common, acyl group is a common in all acid derivatives. And these are also called acyl derivatives. अच्छा, whenever one double bond is there, then it is sp2 hybridization only. देखो, 2 sigma 1, 3 sigma 1, 1 pi bond. 3 sigma 1, 1 pi bond is nothing but what kind of hybridization? sp2 hybridization. Carbon undergoes sp2 hybridization, oxygen always undergoes sp3 hybridization है. तो देखो, 3 sigma 1, 1 pi bond is nothing but sp2 hybridization है. And it more or less it is a polar bond है. Because double bond, multiple bond present between carbon and oxygen, double bond always migrate towards more En value, partial positive charge, partial negative charge. So carbonyl group is a polar group, and this is a nothing but polar group. It is a polar group, polar molecule, polar molecule. Mostly it undergoes nucleophilic substitution reactions. Bond angle, everything is so very simple. Hybridization only they are asking. Hybridization is nothing but sp2 hybridization. Aldehyde ketone lo unna common group entante carbonyl group. Introduction part of objective questions sir. Aldehyde ketones having which group is common? Is carbonyl group is common. Find a group of compound which have a carbonyl group like aldehyde and ketone. Alcohols, acid anhydrides and phenols. देखो, find a group of compound which have a carbonyl group like aldehyde and ketone. Which compound having both aldehyde like aldehyde and ketone group है? Alkyl aldehydes में नहीं है, RX है. Alcohol में ROH है. Acid anhydrides में S. एसिड एनाइड्स में कैसा लिखता है? एसिड एनाइड्स है R C-double-bond O C-double-bond O. अच्छा, here carbonyl group is there, but phenol में no carbonyl group, alcohol में no, alkyl aldehydes में no. So acid anhydride is only having ketonic group, carbonyl group. Hybridization of the carbon atom of carbonyl group is sp2 hybridization because 3 sigma bond 1 pi bond. 3 sigma bond 1 pi bond is nothing but sp2 hybridization. Next, isomerism in aldehydes and ketones. Generally, aldehydes ketones are functional isomers. Of course, can also exhibit chain isomerism. Chain isomerism. Ketones also exhibit position isomerism. Mainly functional isomerism, tautomerism, particularly tautomerism. देखो isomerism in aldehydes and ketones है because already we discussed separate topic in isomerism. Once again, this is a I reminded you, this is revision for you. Aldehydes and ketones shows following type of isomerism. What kind of isomerism? अच्छा, first chain isomerism. Minimum number of carbons are required 4. Carbon skeleton में different होना चाहिए. See the example. See the examples हैं. Chain isomers. I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Name of this compound like 1, 2, 3, 4. Butanol है. But plus en plus all butanol है. But plus en plus all butanol है. 1 butanol है. Now parent compound is but. Now the same compound she will write. देखो. Now parent compound is propanol. 2-methyl propanol. 2-methyl propanol, parent compound. These two are chain isomers. 2-methyl propanol is parent compound. अच्छा, ये parent compound देख लीजिए. Parent compound कैसा है? अच्छा देखो, parent compound is 1, 2, 3 carbon chain. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon chain. So these two compound can exhibit chain isomerism. So aldehyde and ketone can exhibit chain isomerism also. So this is an example for chain isomerism. अच्छा, one more example, pentanol है. देखो iso है. This is not iso. This is not iso. Iso group is nothing but this is not iso compound है. अच्छा, IUPAC नेम देख लीजिए. iso IUPAC नेम है 1, 2, 3, 4. अच्छा, पेरेंट कंपाउंड में 5 है. नाउ ब्यूट है. 2-methyl butanol है. कार्बन स्केलेटन में डिफरेंट है. अच्छा, ये आइसो कंपाउंड. दिस इज आइसो कंपाउंड है. आइसो कंपाउंड मींस ये होना चाहिए. आइसो कंपाउंड में क्या होना चाहिए? ये वाला. दिस इज अ कॉमन फॉर आइसो. दिस आइसो ग्रुप है. दिस आइसो ग्रुप है. लास्ट बटन का आपने मेथाइल इज आइसो ग्रुप है. अच्छा, कॉमन नेम इज आइसो बट IUPAC नेम इज डिफरेंट है. IUPAC नेम इज 2-methyl butanol है. अच्छा, 1, 2, 3 मिथाइल. देखो IUPAC नेम कैसा लिखना? अच्छा, 1, 2, 3 3-methyl butanol is IUPAC नेम, राइट? This is a neo na. Quaternary carbon is called neocarbon. All these are example for chain isomerism. That means aldehyde ketone can exhibit chain isomerism. Agree 2,2 dimethyl propanol. So IUPAC name single है. Whenever parent compound containing carbon, always give assign number 1. If parent carbon not containing carbon, you can check it that the function group containing least number. If always parent compound containing carbon, start with that carbon is number 1. Then we can select the longest continuous chain. So first example है aldehyde ketone exhibit chain isomerism. अच्छा, in case of ketone में ketone है. अच्छा, ketone में position isomerism हो सकता है. chain isomerism also possibility है. अच्छा देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 carbon chain है. longest chain है 5 carbon chain है. And now for chain isomers we can write like this. Chain isomer. Now longest continuous chain containing only 4 carbon atoms है. Carbon skeleton में different है. These two are example for chain isomerism. Now this is not position isomerism because position of C-double-bond was not changed. Position of C-double-bond was same only. Position is not changed. Only carbon skeleton is different. That's why these are called chain isomers. Now like that, here straight chain compound है. First example में straight chain compound में देखो second example में one branch है. Carbon skeleton में different है. These two are chain isomers हैं. देखो दिस कार्बन स्केलेटन में डिफरेंट है 3 methyl pentanone 4 methyl pentanone 2 these are chain isomers. Acha what I am explaining to you completely what are given NCERT textbook only. NCERT textbook they given maybe in between the lines they may ask the questions only. In between the lines they can pick anyone, they can ask IUPAC name also. Because from NCERT only they are asking each and every question. Acha chain isomers of C6H12O. Chain isomers of C6H12O. अच्छा all the above అంటే మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోండి ఒకసారి దీనికి చైన్ ఐసోమర్ ఫస్ట్ మీరు కాంపౌండ్ రాసుకోండి అచ్చా నో ఓన్ అని రాశారు కదా అంటే ఇది కీటోన్ అయి ఉండాలి అంటే కీటోన్ రాసుకుంటాను నేను కీటోన్ 6 కార్బన్స్ ఉన్న కీటోన్ అంటే అచ్చా CH3 CH1O CH2 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 CH3 రాసుకుంటాను ఇది చూడండి లాంగెస్ట్ 1 2 3 4 5 6 కాబట్టి X అన్ని between the carbon atoms are saturated means A no X plus A no and 2 O and 2 O చూడండి అన్నిట్లో కూడా 2 O నే ఉంది కాబట్టి పొజిషన్ ఐసోమర్స్ కాదు ఇప్పుడు మనం చైన్ మార్చుకుంటే నెంబరింగ్ ఎలా ఇస్తాను నేను నెంబరింగ్ ఇస్తాను ఇలా 1 2 3 4 5 6 నెంబరింగ్ ఇస్తాను ఇలా ఇప్పుడు చూడండి X2O అచ్చా X2O రాసుకోవచ్చు ఫస్ట్ వన్ సెకండ్ వన్ 3 methyl pentanone కార్బన్ స్కెలిటన్ డిఫరెన్స్ రాసుకోవచ్చు 4 methyl pentanone అచ్చా X-none ఏమో 6 member రింగ్ 5 member రింగ్ కార్బన్ స్కెలిటన్ లో డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటే దట్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ చైన్ ఐసోమర్ అంటారు రైట్ Acha chain isomer of this compound is. Acha first you have to write the parent compound. How many carbon atoms are there? We can write how many carbon atoms parent chain hai. Acha 1 2 3 4 4 carbon. Ante butanol. Butanol ante 4 carbon kaakunda 3 carbon chain unda check cheskondi because any compound having 4 carbon can exhibit 4 or above 4 carbon they can exhibit chain isomerism. Acha deeniki 3 carbon 3 methyl propanol anta 3 methyl propanol ante ela raachukochu CH2 CH3 अच्छा दे दो प्रोपेनॉल रास्ता నేను CH3 CH2 CHO अच्छा numbering is given like 1 2 3 numbering is given 3 अच्छा 2 methyl propanol అంట అంటే ఇక్కడ హైడ్రోజన్ ప్లేస్ లో రాస్తాను నేను ఒక హైడ్రోజన్ ప్లేస్ లో ఒక మెథైల్ రాస్తాను 1 2 3 4 ఇక్కడ 1 2 3 కార్బన్ స్కెలిటన్ మాలిక్యులర్ ఫార్ములా సేమ్ అవ్వాలి చైన్ ఐసోమర్స్ అవుతుంది 3 methyl propanol కాదు కదా 3 methyl propanol కాదు అది butanol అవుతుంది చూడండి సపోజ్ నేను థర్డ్ కార్బన్ మెథైల్ రాస్తానంటే అది లాంగెస్ట్ కంటిన్యూ చైన్ అవుతుంది 3 methyl కాదు అది 3 methyl propanol అని ఎగ్జిస్ట్ కాదు అసలు దిస్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ దట్ కాంపౌండ్ ఓన్లీ butanol ఓన్లీ సో 3 methyl propanol అనేది ఉండదు మనకి అచ్చా 2 ethyl ethanol ఉండదు మనకి none of this so answer is only 2 methyl propanol chain isomer of this compound. So then isomerism, next isomerism देखो position isomerism. 2 or more compound having same molecular formula, same function group, but position of function groups are different only. अच्छा देखो एग्जाम्पल చూద్దాం రైట్ अच्छा ఇక్కడ ఆర్థో పొజిషన్ లో మెథైల్ గ్రూప్ ఉంది ఆర్థో మెథైల్ బెంజాల్డిహైడ్ అంటాం ఆర్థో మెథైల్ బెంజాల్డిహైడ్ అంటాం 2 methyl benzaldehyde అంటాం 2 methyl benzaldehyde 3 methyl benzaldehyde రాయొచ్చు 4 methyl benzaldehyde రాయొచ్చు ఇంకా there is no other option but aliphatic compound లో ఓన్లీ ఆల్డిహైడ్ కి ఫంక్షన్ అంటే కష్టం అవుతుంది ఎందుకంటే whenever organic compound containing function group you always assign number 1 to the function group So for aldehyde compound there is a difficulty in aliphatic compound position isomerism, but ketone के लिए you can write position isomerism. That's why aromatic compound में position isomerism given examples. अच्छा 2 3 4 అంటే ఈ మూడే అవుతుంది. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ రాసినా కూడా సేమ్ అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ రాసినా సేమ్ అవుతుంది, సేమే అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి 3 position isomers are possible for this compound. Aldehyde can also exhibit position isomerism, particularly aromatic aldehydes only, not aliphatic aldehydes. Reason is whenever functional groups containing carbon, you always assign number 1 to the functional group. So there is no change, there is no chance of position isomerism for aliphatic aldehydes. Of course bifunctional group में हो सकता है, but only principal functional group में for aldehyde के लिए aliphatic compound there is no position isomerism. अच्छा मेटामेरिज्म अच्छा मेटामेरिज्म का जनरली मेटामेरिज्म सेकेंडरी अमाइन्स అని చెప్పుకున్నాం, ఈథర్స్ అని చెప్పుకున్నాం, లైక్ కీటోన్స్ అని చెప్పుకున్నాం. మెటామెరిజం సేమ్ మాలిక్యూల్ ఫార్ములా, సేమ్ ఫంక్షన్ గ్రూప్స్, బట్ अरेंजमेंट ऑफ alkyl groups are different. alkyl groups arrangement different है, देख लीजिए how alkyl groups arrangement are different. अच्छा डाइइथाइल कीटोन, डाइइथाइल कीटोन అంటాం నేను, डाइइथाइल कीटोन అన్నా, देखो डाइइथाइल कीटोन अन्ना, we can arrange one propyl one methyl. अच्छा one methyl one propyl, मतलब ये फंक्शन ग्रुप्स आर डिफरेंट, alkyl ग्रुप्स आर डिफरेंट. देख लीजिए ये इथाइल है, ये भी इथाइल है, बोथ आर इथाइल है, इथाइल है, ये भी इथाइल है. अच्छा यहाँ देखो ये मिथाइल है, ये प्रोपाइल है, ये प्रोपाइल है, ये मिथाइल है. Same molecular formula, same function groups, but different arrangement of alkyl groups. Here both are ethyl groups, one methyl, one propyl. Of course, isopropyl also you can write. अच्छा देखो isopropyl also you can write like CH3, C double bond O, CH, CH3, CH3. अच्छा ये isopropyl हो गया, ये propyl, ये methyl हो गया, ये methyl isopropyl, methyl isopropyl. Same molecular formula, same functional group, but different arrangement of alkyl groups are nothing but metamerism. So aldehyde ketone can exhibit metamerism also. Aldehyde ketone can exhibit metamerism also. Right? चलो. देखो यार, if same polyvalent functional groups is there in 2 or more organic compound, then metamerism is compared to the position isomerism. अच्छा देखो for example देखो, अच्छा मैं ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పుకున్న ఫంక్షనల్ ఐసోమెరిజం లో, అంటే ప్రీవియస్ చూడండి, కీటోన్ మనకి రెండు ఉంటాయి, మెటామెరిజం ఉంటుంది, పొజిషన్ ఐసోమెరిజం రెండు ఉంటుంది. దేనికి ప్రిఫర్ చేయాలి? సేమ్ పాలీవాలెంట్ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ ఇస్ దేర్ ఇన్ 2 or more organic compound, then write metamerism as compared to position isomerism. अच्छा for two options are given here, also we can check it in above example, also we can check it. ये देखो 1 2 3 4 5, ये 3 पेंटानोन है. अच्छा पेंटानोन 3 है, ये पेंटानोन 2 होना है. अच्छा suppose examples are given, these are example for both है, position as well as metamerism also. अच्छा both options are given, you can go for both है, otherwise you can go for only metamerism only. Both are given for JEE examination, they can ask both है, particularly ketone group, particularly second Raman group also. So functional isomerism as well as metamerism also, but we have to prefer to the metamerism. Next functional isomerism, I said now aldehydes, ketones, unsaturated alcohols, cyclic ethers are functional isomers. Aldehyde ketone के लिए DBE1 है, मतलब information DBE double bond equivalency is equal to 1 है, मतलब aldehyde, once again I am writing aldehydes, ketones, unsaturated alcohols, cyclic ethers are functional isomers. देखो Unsaturated alcohols. I think the same example I given in our like isomerism topic. Same example. There are 7 isomers are possible. देखिए एक aldehyde है, एक aldehyde है, 3 कार्बन aldehyde है. अच्छा इसके लिए मैं टाटा मेरिज्म भी लिख सकता है. अच्छा ये कीटोन है. देखो aldehyde ketones are functional isomers, no, right? चलो for this I am writing टाटा मेरिज्म. ये टाटा मेरिज्म है. अच्छा कैसा टाटा मेरिज्म है? CH3 CH2 C double bond H. अच्छा one टाटा मेरिज्म you have to remember hydrogen shift migrate from first atom to third atom. So double bond is migrated over here. Hydrogen migrated to third atom. अच्छा third atom. CH2 double bond. This is nothing but टाटा मेरिज्म of this. Again टाटा मेरिज्म of this also possible ना. अच्छा देखो 1 2 3 ना double bond migrating. Hydrogen migrate third atom. Double bond is migrating to carbon carbon. अच्छा one more isomers are possible. देखो. अच्छा this is a ethers ना unsaturated. विनाइल देखो ये क्या लिखा हमने उन्होंने विनाइल मिथाइल ईथर. अच्छा DB1 ఉంది కదా विनाइल मिथाइल ईथर అన్న विनाइल मिथाइल ईथर. अच्छा देखो प्रोप प्लस 2 इन प्लस ओल. अच्छा ఇక్కడ పొజిషన్ మార్చొచ్చు చూడండి 1 2 3 OH పొజిషన్ 1 కదా పొజిషన్ 2 में రాయొచ్చు OH. పొజిషన్ 2 में రాస్తే దీనికి టాటా మెరిజ్म అవుతుందా CH3 C OH డబుల్ బాండ్ CH దీనికి టాటా మెరిజ్म అవుతుందా? పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ OH 1 మీద ఉంది. 2 మీద కూడా రాయొచ్చు కదా 2 మీద రాస్తే టాటా మెరిజ్म ఆఫ్ సెకండ్ ఐసోమర్ అవుతుంది. మిథాక్సీ ఈథేన్ కామన్ నేమ్ సారీ IUPAC నేమ్. Common name is vinyl methyl ether. Methyl vinyl ether. Double bond unte 1 2 3 2 item. OH function. One more isomers are possible. This is again 4 only. Other isomers are possible. Cyclic isomers. Cyclic ethers are. Here they write only 6, but we have 7. I said 7 isomers. अच्छा 7th one. H and here OH. So what you said? कहाँ 1 2 3 1 की 2 की मजे डबल बॉन्ड. अच्छा लजी पोजीशन ऐसे में जो फंक्शनल समझ कर रहा है. अच्छा जी 1 सेकंड. टाटा मेरिज्म दिस इज ओनली टाटा मेरिज्म ना. अच्छा 1 की 2 की मजे CH3 CH double bond CH OH. अच्छा 1 2 3. अच्छा 1 2 3 C3 3 4 5 6 is 6 C3. That means 8 isomers are possible. This is not given, right? Written anywhere. This also not given. Tata merism. Total count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Here 6. Cyclic isomers zone. Cyclic isomers. AV cyclic isomers. Same isomer. Total 2 more extra you have to write. Total how many? 7 plus 2. 9 isomers are possible. 9 isomers are possible. Cyclic में this. So one cyclic is nothing but 1 dB, na? 1 dB, 1 dB. 1 double bond is nothing but 1 dB. But double bond may be C double bond O, C double bond C also possible. Anyway, double bond is nothing but 1 dB. अच्छा, tautomerism, one particular video we made tautomerism. Generally, aldehydes and ketones can exhibit tautomerism. Condition for tautomerism is one electron withdrawing group होना चाहिए. Alpha carbon is sp3 carbon. Then a hydrogen shift from first atom to third atom. So tautomerism occurs both acidic medium as well as basic medium. We discuss one particular video regarding to tautomerism. Examples we can see. Acetaldehyde and vinyl alcohol. Keto-enol tautomerism. Keto-enol tautomerism. Keto-enol tautomerism. Double bond is E and OH is O. Keto-enol tautomerism. Aldehyde ketones also shows example. One more example. In case of histone, don't bother about this one. We made one video also. We can check it completely. Tautomerism only. अच्छा, इस कीटो फॉर्म देखो. अच्छा देखो, हाइड्रोजन शिफ्ट फ्रॉम एनीवेयर, हाइड्रोजन शिफ्ट फ्रॉम 1 to 3rd heteroatom. So double bond shift over here. Hydrogen shift from 3rd heteroatom, double bond shift over here. So condition electron withdrawing group होना चाहिए alpha carbon having sp3 carbon, at least one hydrogen, acidic hydrogen sulfide. Aldehyde does not exhibit position isomerism. Aromatic aldehydes, which aldehyde? And think which aldehyde does not exhibit position isomerism? Aromatic aldehydes, aliphatic aldehydes, formaldehyde, both A and B. The aldehyde does not exhibit position isomerism. अच्छा, formaldehyde also not exhibit. So B and C होना चाहिए. Answer is B and C होना चाहिए. Formaldehyde, because aliphatic aldehyde bifunctional groups కూడా అయి ఉండొచ్చు. So that's why they given only formaldehyde. Generally, aliphatic aldehyde is not exhibit position isomerism. The reason is whenever functional groups containing carbon, we can assign always number 1. Right? When any bifunctional groups are there, they are exception cases. But formaldehyde never exhibit position isomerism because only one carbon. Even acetaldehyde also not exhibit position isomerism. Propanaldehyde also not exhibit position isomerism. Ketone shows property of metabolites. अच्छा, not all ketones है which is having alpha hydrogens. But the general statement, ketone shows property of keto-enol tautomerism. General property only. Specific compounds are given. You have to write specific compounds. Now, nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones. What are the nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones? अच्छा, generally alk plus En plus al. We know secondary suffix for aldehyde is a secondary suffix. Secondary suffix for aldehyde is al. కదా, ketone అయితే ఓన్. జనరల్ థింగ్ ఆల్క్ ప్లస్ ఏన్ ప్లస్ ఆలా, ఆల్క్ ప్లస్ ఈన్ ప్లస్ ఆలా, ఆల్క్ ప్లస్ ఐన్ ప్లస్ ఆలా, which is saturated compound, let's say unsaturated, saturated, unsaturated, double bond, we can add it like this. So देखो here any carbons ने prop between the carbons are single bond en. If suppose CHO is there, then all E should be omitted. Propanol like that. Alkanol, IUPAC name is generally alkanol. In case of saturated, in case of unsaturated, pro plus en plus al, propinol, alkinol, alkanol. So there is different. General trend is given. The longest continuous carbon chain containing aldehyde group. So you remember, I said always the number of carbonyl compound is always 1. We can assign number 1 for aldehyde group only. That's why there is no position isomerism. If any compound aldehyde is number 1 only. Position of CH group does not change for aliphatic compounds only. The alkyl groups are prefixes in alphabetical order. This is general trend. We can check the examples. देखो ये example है, एक tabular form देख लीजिए. One by one we can discuss. Because I think this is given in NCERT textbook only. Same tabular form I incorporated over here. अच्छा देखो one by one we can discuss. One by one we can discuss. First one. अच्छा only one carbon is there na meth. Only one carbon na meth plus ene plus all. Nothing but methanol. Meth plus ene plus all methanol. अच्छा two carbon ante eth. Eth plus ene plus all ethanol. अच्छा 3 carbon pro plus n plus all propanol అవుతుంది. But plus n plus all butanol అవుతుంది. Like pent plus n plus all. These are common names sir. 5 carbon అంటే వెలరాల్డిహైడ్ అంటాం, వెలరిక్ యాసిడ్ అంటాం. వెలరిక్ 5 carbon కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్ వెలరిక్ యాసిడ్, వెలరిక్ ప్లాంట్ నుంచి డిరైవ్ చేశాం కాబట్టి వెలరాల్డిహైడ్ అంటాం మనం. కామన్ నేమ్. అచ్చా ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ మనకి 1 2 3 4 నెంబరింగ్ ఇచ్చారు. స్టార్టింగ్ విత్ 1 తో స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలి ఆల్డిహైడ్ కి. సెకండ్ కార్బన్ మీద మిథైల్ ఉంది. అచ్చా దీన్ని బ్యూట్ ప్లస్ ఎన్ ప్లస్ ఆల్ బిటనోల్. బిటనోల్ లో సెకండ్ కార్బన్ మీద మిథైల్ ఉంది. సో 2 మిథైల్ బిటనోల్. పేరెంట్ కాంపౌండ్ ఇది బిటనోల్. బ్యూట్ ప్లస్ ఎన్ ప్లస్ ఆల్ బిటనోల్. బిటనోల్ లో సెకండ్ కార్బన్ మీద మిథైల్ గ్రూప్ ఉంది. 2 మిథైల్ బిటనోల్. అచ్చా వాట్ ఆర్ గివెన్ NCERT టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ యాసిడ్ I think the table is acid incorporated over it. Because in between the lines only they will ask NCERT questions. Now some other example. Whenever aldehyde group is there, always give the number 1. This is unsaturated compound. Unsaturated का मतलब हाँ कैसा लिखना unsaturated में? अच्छा eth plus ene plus all ethanol. Eth plus ene because double bond है. Where double bond? Second position में. Eth 2 ene 1 all. Eth 2 ene 1 all. The acrolein is nothing but common name. Acrolein is a common name. अच्छा prop 2 enol, prop 2 ene plus 1 all. अच्छा first position में CHO group no need to mention है. That's why prop 2 enol अंटाऊँ. Common name is acrolein अंटाऊँ. So common name is. अच्छा देखो numbering is always given to function group the CH group. Then 2, then 3, then 4. अच्छा but 2 ene 1 all. But 4 carbons కాబట్టి but double bond should be 2 and 3 కాబట్టి 2 ene all. अच्छा I think you remember this is a aldol condensation లో product final product అయిన protonaldehyde. aldol condensation లో final product protonaldehyde అంటాం. protonic acid protonaldehyde, cinnamaldehyde. అదే ఇక్కడ C6H5 cinnamaldehyde అంటాం. aromatic ring అయితే. This is called but 2 enol. अच्छा देखो ये एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड. एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड के लिए स्पेशल नेम మనం చెప్పుకున్నాం. బెంజీన్ రింగ్ మీద CH వస్తే బెంజీన్ కార్బాల్డైడ్ అంటాం. బెంజీన్ రింగ్ మీద గ్రూప్ ఉంటే కనుక. अच्छा देखो benzene 1,2 dicarbonate. Special names sir. Whenever function groups are not included in parent compound, we use the special names for those organic compound. In case of COH carboxylic acid you add. In case of CN carbonyl you should add. In case of CHO you can add carbaldehyde. That's why this is benzene carbaldehyde, not benzaldehyde. So here benzene, these CHO groups are not included in parent compound. That's why special names are given dicarbaldehyde. Where 1 2 position में dicarbaldehyde. Benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. अच्छा benzene carbaldehyde, IUPAC में benzene carbaldehyde में second carbon में OH group है 2 hydroxy रहा है. अच्छा salicylaldehyde अंटा मनो common name salicylaldehyde very used. Riemann-Timmins reaction लो major compound is salicylaldehyde. Riemann-Timmins reaction. अच्छा 2 hydroxy benzaldehyde is IUPAC name. और इनके और आयु 2 hydroxy benzene carbaldehyde. Generally benzoyl అంటే దాని బెంజీన్ కార్బాల్డేట్ కరెక్ట్ నేమ్ is because CHO is not included parent compound, special name should be given. देखो bifunctional groups are whenever bifunctional groups are given, CHO give the priority one. अच्छा COH given, COH is not given priority. अच्छा देखो prop plus EN propanol. Propanol లో సెకండ్ పొజిషన్ మీద థర్డ్ పొజిషన్ మీద OH గ్రూప్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 2,3 these are not functional, these are substituents only. 2,3 dihydroxy propanol. 2,3 dihydroxy propanol. अच्छा देखो ये देखो least thumb rule you have to follow it. Least thumb rule you have to follow it. देखो 4 hydroxy 3 methoxy benzoyl. 3 methoxy benzoyl कैसे लिखना? फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 1 రాయాలి. 1 2 3 4 5 6. మీ డౌట్ రావచ్చు సార్ ఇలా రాస్తే 1 + 3 + 4 నాకు 8 వచ్చింది. కొంతమంది ఇలా రాయాలనుకున్నాం అనుకోండి మీరు సపోజ్ మీరు ఇలా రాయాలనుకున్నాం అనుకోండి ఇక్కడ 1 తో స్టార్ట్ అయింది 1 2 3 4 5 6 ఇలా స్టార్ట్ అయింది అనుకోండి. అప్పుడు చూడండి ఇక్కడ సమ్ 1 + 4 + 5 ఎంత అవుతుంది? ఇది 10 అవుతుంది. సో లీస్ట్ సమ్ రూల్ కల్లా మనం ఇప్పుడు CHO తో స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలి. స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి ఏ డైరెక్షన్ లో మీకు లీస్ట్ సమ్ రూల్ వస్తుందో యూ హావ్ టు ఫాలో ది లీస్ట్ సమ్ రూల్. యూ హావ్ టు ఫాలో దిస్ డైరెక్షన్ ఈస్ 10 only. 10 is not least number only. Least number is this direction only. That's why they giving you 4 hydroxy. Alphabetical order lo hydroxy will come. 4 hydroxy 3 methoxy benzoyl or benzene carbonyl. This is IUPAC name of this compound. Then benzene carbonyl lo mana rayali 1 2 3 4 5 6. 4 methyl benzoyl anochu, 4 methyl benzene carbonyl anochu. 4 methyl benzene carbonyl anochu, 4 methyl benzoyl anochu. But commonly we are using benzoyl, but correct IUPAC name is benzene carbonyl. Because CHO is not included in parent compound, then CHO separate name is carbonyl. COH के लिए separate name is carboxylic acid. CN के लिए separate name carbonitrile. अच्छा कीटोन के लिए देखो, कीटोन कैसे वन है, देखो वन है. अच्छा नंबरिंग is given, you can write correct name is 1 2 3. Propanone 2 propanone, prop 2 1. Correct name is prop 2 1. Propanone is not correct exact word because numbering is not mentioned where O double bond is present. But simplest ketone this only. First carbon में C double bond not possible only. अच्छा देखो now position is this sorry. Numbering is should be given, function should have least number only. Least number होना चाहिए. Least number कैसा लिखना? Least number कैसा लिखना? देखो 1 2 3 4. Not in this direction. Least number होना चाहिए. Like देखो अच्छा ये both side is symmetrical होने ना, symmetrical में there is no problem, any direction no problem. So pent plus en plus 1 ఎలా ఉంది 3 1. So pent 3 1. So in between anywhere they have to ask the questions because all these are given NCERT textbook में. What are IUPAC names of aldehyde ketones separately mentioned? They are not asking you separate names है. अच्छा देखो ये भी C11 वो should be least number होना चाहिए. यहाँ से शुरू होना 1 2 3 4 5 होता है. So that's why least number. What are given common example NCERT? You have to thoroughly prepare this NCERT textbook. Pent plus En plus 2 pentanone. Similarly आप देख लीजिए CHO को लीस्ट नंबर होना चाहिए. बोथ साइड इज लीस्ट नंबर है. यहाँ डाउट है, सम स्टूडेंट्स हैव डाउट सर. सपोज आई एम राइटिंग डायरेक्शन 1 2 3 4 5. अच्छा ये 6 वाला longest chain this one. अच्छा you can start with here 1 2 3 4 అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ 3 అవుతుంది. లీస్ట్ నెంబర్ చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి మనం. లీస్ట్ నెంబర్ చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. So then rest I think you might know very well. 2 bromo. अच्छा eggs. अच्छा ये this is not unsaturated. Unsaturated का मतलब between C carbon carbon में double bond और triple bond. अच्छा carbon oxygen में double bond is not unsaturated compound. Don't put E ना over here because option में वो भी देता है. Right? देखो hexane only. That is not unsaturated. This is unsaturated now because in between carbon and carbon double bond is unsaturation. अब कहाँ unsaturation है? Which position में देखो? Position 3 position में unsaturation है. 3 position में unsaturation है. So pent 3 ene 2 one. 4 methyl pent 3 ene 2 one. 3 ene third देगा double bond. Second देगा one. 3 ene 2 one. Right? IUPAC nomenclature of secondary suffix used for aldehyde. All. OH के लिए all. OH के लिए all है, CHO के लिए all है. IUPAC name of alpha hydroxybutyraldehyde. अच्छा first you have to write the structure of alpha hydroxybutyraldehyde. अच्छा alpha hydroxybutyraldehyde means how many carbons are 4 carbons. 1 2 3 4. अच्छा aldehyde का फंक्शनल ग्रुप फर्स्ट 1 होना चाहिए. अच्छा फंक्शनल ग्रुप एसिड कार्बन इज अल्फा बीटा गामा. अल्फा पोजीशन में क्या ग्रुप होना चाहिए? हाइड्रोक्सी ग्रुप होना चाहिए. हाइड्रोक्सी ग्रुप होना चाहिए. अच्छा बैलेंस C3 है, CH है, CH2 है एंड C is there. This IUPAC name they are asking. 1 2 3 4 kada numbering is given should be like 1 2 3 4 है. अच्छा 2 hydroxy butanol IUPAC name. अच्छा what is 2 hydroxy butanol? First what is given alpha hydroxy butyraldehyde. You have to write the structure of that compound, then automatically IUPAC name you have to write it. देखो IUPAC name of this compound. Numbering कैसा देना? You start with the aldehyde. Number 1 always given to the aldehyde. अच्छा यहाँ से शुरू होता है. From this carbon you have to select the longest continuous chain. अच्छा 1 2 3 4 5. Second carbon में ethyl है, third carbon में methyl. Second carbon में ethyl है, third carbon में methyl. You have to follow alphabetical order. अच्छा second carbon में ethyl है. Second carbon में ethyl है. Choose the option, correct option. 2 ethyl, 3 methyl pentanol. Because alphabetical order, E will come first now. E will come first, right? चलो. Crotonaldehyde. I think crotonaldehyde है. Common name है crotonaldehyde. What is the byproduct in aldol condensation lo? Aldol condensation lo main अदे कदा. CH3, CH, double bond, CH, CH. This is called crotonaldehyde. Aldol condensation lo main compound. Final product is formed in nothing but crotonaldehyde. Aldol వస్తుంది దాన్ని హీట్ చేస్తే వాటర్ మాలిక్యూల్ ఎలిమినేట్ అవుతుంది. That is called crotonaldehyde. Crotonaldehyde IUPAC name అనుకున్నారు చెప్పండి. IUPAC name on. IUPAC name 1 2 3 4. IUPAC name क्या? But 2 enol. Second position में डबल बॉन्ड हो गया butanol. methyl isopropyl ketone. अच्छा फर्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर है methyl isopropyl ketone. methyl isopropyl ketone. अच्छा एक कीटोन है. ये कैन मिथाइल लिखो, ये कैन आइसोप्रोपाइल लिखो. आइसो అంటే दिस ग्रुप इज आइसो. मिथाइल आइसोप्रोपाइल. ये कैन मिथाइल ये कैन एंड आइसोप्रोपाइल. अच्छा नाउ दे गिव द नंबर्स है, नंबरिंग है. गिव द नंबर्स है. अच्छा यहां से शुरू होता है 1 2 3 4. अच्छा 4 आल्सो. अच्छा नाउ वी कैन 3 मिथाइल 2 pentanone anta 3 methyl butanone 2 अच्छा 4 లాంగెస్ట్ 4 కాబట్టి పెంట్ అనేది ఇన్కరెక్ట్. अच्छा ओनली वन ऑप्शन है, बी ऑप्शन ओनली करेक्ट. 3 methyl 2 butanol or a but is An+O2. Third question. Aromatic aldehydes and ketones है. Aromatic aldehydes and ketones है. अच्छा already benzaldehyde we discussed some, that is called benzene carbaldehyde కూడా అంటాం మనం. देखो at the time of positioning में also we discussed benzaldehyde गानी benzophenol गानी estophenol गानी, these are example for aromatic compound. Generally aromatic aldehyde అయితే మనం specially we can discuss about benzaldehyde. Aromatic ketone lo especially we discuss estophenol ani. Acetophenol, estophenol and especially benzophenol. Mostly we discuss these 3 compounds. Benzophenol especially we discuss this compound. अच्छा एग्जांपल देखो benzaldehyde और benzene carbaldehyde. Benzaldehyde or benzene carbaldehyde. Generally benzene carbaldehyde is the correct name only according to latest IUPAC version. देखो एक का position isomers है 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde 2-hydroxy benzene carbaldehyde, nothing but salzaldehyde, the final product in Riemann-Tiemann reaction. अच्छा देखो नंबर पोजीशन शुड बी गिवन टू 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 methyl benzaldehyde, పారాటోరాల్డిహైడ్ కూడా అంటాం మనకి. ఎన్ని అయితే టోలిడిన్ అంటాం, ఆల్డిహైడ్ ఏమో టోరాల్డిహైడ్ అంటాం, ఇది కామన్. బట్ మెయిన్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఫంక్షన్ గ్రూప్ ఇస్ బెంజాల్డేట్. above one is a better nomenclature when compared to the para-torol. Is a common name, not IUPAC name. Like these 4-3, these 2 are found position isomers. These are position isomers. These 2 are position isomers. As generally aliphatic ketones, aromatic ketones are known by their common names. Very rare case, estophenol, benzophenol, these are common names only, not IUPAC names only. देखो ये acetophenol है common name, estophenol or methyl-phenyl ketone, just like ethers लागा methyl-phenyl ketone. अच्छा ये benzophenol है, देखो ये benzophenol है. अच्छा ఎలా రాయొచ్చు డైఫినైల్ కీటోన్ అని కూడా అనొచ్చు, బెంజోఫినోల్. డైఫినైల్ కీటోన్ అనొచ్చు, బెంజోఫినోల్ అనొచ్చు. अच्छा प्रिपरेशन ऑफ aldehydes and ketones, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ aldehydes and ketones. चलो अच्छा these are already in our class notes also we discussed PCC, PDC gurinchi, Jones reagent gurinchi. So we can discuss once again. I reminded you, that's it. What are given NCERT? Just I reminded you because in complete video, like in complete in our class we discussed completely. So what are the PCC controlling oxidizing agents? Controlling oxidizing agents PCC, PDC gurinchi. अच्छा देखो ये प्राइमरी ये सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल है, सॉरी ये प्राइमरी अल्कोहल है. Primary alcohol oxidation gives aldehyde. Further oxidation gives acid. This reaction is not controlled. This reaction is not controlled. And further oxidation gives acid also. But that's why better oxidizing agent what we use is either MnO2 or you can use PCC, PDC. अच्छा देखो ये वाला कीटोन होता है, but this is not a correct method, correct controlling method only, because final products may be carboxylic acid भी हो सकता है. So what is the correct one you can discuss, PCC or PDC? अच्छा, primary alcohol అయితే aldehyde, secondary alcohol అయితే ketone. This is general trend. Oxidizing agent, potassium dichromate, we get ketone. देखो, this is general equation. General equation. Control is very important here. अच्छा, वेरी सिंपल फंडा आप याद करना, ऐसा याद करना, ऐसा याद करना. अच्छा, ये RCH2OH ऑक्सीडेशन और PCC PDC आप याद करना, ऑल्डिहाइड है. अच्छा, आप सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल में है, यहाँ सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल में ऑक्सीडेशन का मतलब PCC PDC, ये वाला होता है कीटोन. दिस इज जनरल. प्राइमरी अल्कोहल यूज ऑल्डिहाइड है, सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल यूज कीटोन. वेरेवर प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी. अच्छा देखो, ये सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल है, सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल यूज कीटोन है, प्राइमरी अल्कोहल यूज ऑल्डिहाइड. चलो, अच्छा देखो, ये वाला इंपॉर्टेंट है. आई थिंक वी डिस्कस इन डिटेल इन दिस वन. PCC is a complex mixture of what? CrO3, pyridine and HCl. దీనే pyridinium dichromate అంటాం, pyridinium chlorochromate అంటాం. PCC ని pyridinium chlorochromate అంటాం. Chlorochromate. This is a controlling oxidizing agent. This in the presence of inert solvent only. They are using inert solvent like methylene, dichloromethylene, inert solvent only. Acha, this point is important. This reagent not respond, not reduce. Double bond, triple bond. Not affected by unsaturation. These reagents also do not attack double bond or triple bond. This is very important. If you want to prepare unsaturated aldehydes, alcohol nunchi aldehyde and ketone, then you go for better is PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate, pyridinium dichromate. Acha, the ratio 1:1 ratio of CrO3, pyridine and HCl. Acha, this is very important. So without affecting double bond or triple bond, it oxidizes primary alcohol oxide into aldehyde, secondary alcohol oxide into ketone. We discussed one particular chapter, this particular reagent. Every day one reagent we discussed that. Because this PCC, this ethylene dichloromethane, nothing but inert solvent you can use. अच्छा, क्या बनेगा? ऑल्डिहाइड बनेगा. जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो नहीं चाहिए आपको, ऑल्डिहाइड बनेगा. यू रिमेंबर प्राइमरी अल्कोहल इनटू ऑल्डिहाइड, सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल इनटू कीटोन. प्राइमरी अल्कोहल इनटू ऑल्डिहाइड, सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल इनटू कीटोन. रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट. डू नॉट रेस्पॉन्ड, नॉट रिड्यूस डबल बॉन्ड एंड ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. अच्छा, यहाँ से मैंने हाइड्रोजन लाइक एनी ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट यूज, हाइड्रोजनेशन यूज्ड, डबल बॉन्ड ट्रिपल बॉन्ड्स आर रिड्यूस्ड. देखो, सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल्स है विदाउट अफेक्टिंग डबल बॉन्ड. దీన్ని మనం ఎలైలిక్ ఆల్కహాల్ కూడా అంటాం కదా. ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ MnO2 ఆల్సో యూజ్డ్. ఎలైలిక్ के लिए MnO2 ఆల్సో కెన్ యూజ్డ్, బట్ ఈ NCR టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ దే గివెన్ PCC only. In case of this also we can use MnO2 also. Allylic benzylic के लिए MnO2 can also use. As if you want you can note down here MnO2 is also suitable reagent here, but NCERT may given PCC PDC only, so you have to follow NCERT. Suppose option में दोनों option किया both A and B, then MnO2 also correct. MnO2 useful for us. Specific oxidizing agent for allylic and benzylic. Allylic and benzylic alcohol. Allylic alcohols, primary alcohol convert into aldehyde, secondary alcohol convert into ketone. अच्छा, ये allylic secondary alcohol है, convert into ketone है. If allylic primary alcohol ऐसा दिया, ये allylic primary alcohol aldehyde होता है. ये allylic secondary alcohol है. अच्छा, allylic कार्बन में डबल बॉन्ड पकड़ कार्बन sp3 कार्बन में OH चुनते allylic. अच्छा देखो, डबल बॉन्ड पकड़ sp3 कार्बन में allylic अंडा, allylic अंडा, allylic कार्बन. బెంజలిక్ అలెలిక్ MnO2 కూడా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు, బట్ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో. देखो ఎలైల్ ఆల్కహాల్ అంటే MnO2 కూడా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు, బట్ దే ఆర్ యూజింగ్ హియర్ కోర్స్ రియేజెంట్ ఎక్రోలిల్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ప్రైమరీ ఆల్కహాల్ ఇంటూ ఆల్డిహైడ్, సెకండరీ ఆల్కహాల్ ఇంటూ కీటోన్. ప్రైమరీ ఆల్కహాల్ అయితే ఆల్డిహైడ్, సెకండరీ ఆల్కహాల్ ఇంటూ కీటోన్. अच्छा, by dehydrogenation and the copper at above 300 we discussed, I think you remember. Removal of hydrogen, addition of oxygen is also oxygen, removal of hydrogen also oxidation only, na? अच्छा, so what is it? Dehydrogenation, nothing but oxidation only, na? It is previously addition of oxygen, now removal of hydrogen, both are nothing but oxidation only. So primary alcohol gives aldehyde, secondary alcohol gives ketone, tertiary alcohol gives alkene. Difference between primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols over here. Copper at about 300. 300 means 573 Kelvin. Primary alcohol gives aldehyde, removal of hydrogen. अच्छा, ये वाटर मॉलिक्यूल गलत है. Removal of hydrogen, removal of hydrogen. Aldehyde है. Secondary alcohol gives ketone. This is also dehydrogenation. अच्छा, dehydrogenation only. Hydrogen dehydrogenation only. अच्छा, tertiary alcohol के लिए alkene है. अच्छा, not given, you can note करो. You can note करो. In case of tertiary alcohol, alkene is formed. In case of tertiary alcohol, alkene is formed. Elimination reaction. In case of tertiary alcohol, copper at about 300, we get alkene. Major compound is alkene. Now you can write the water part. Dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen only. And in previous example also the given water, you can write H2 only there. So ethanol and oxidation gives. Ethanol and the primary alcohol. And oxidation gives. The reagent is not mentioned. Generally, ethanoic acid is called controlling it. Controlling it ethanol. Mention ఏం చేయలేదు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ మెన్షన్ చేయండి మనకి ఇన్ ది ప్రెసెన్స్ ఆఫ్ కంట్రోలింగ్ ఆక్సిజన్ ఏజెంట్, ఇన్ ది ప్రెసెన్స్ ఆఫ్ PCC గాని ఆర్ PDC గాని తీసుకుంటేనే మనకి ఈ రియాక్షన్. పొటాషియం డైక్రోమేట్ తీసుకుంటే ఇథనోయిక్ యాసిడ్ కరెక్ట్. अच्छा, especially we discuss the reagents. 2-propanol. 2-propanol is secondary alcohol. Na? First you have to write what are 2-propanol. A2-propanol. 2-propanol is secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol gives ketones. Again, controlling oxygen gain. Potassium permanganate or dichromate is the final carboxylic acid of 1 carbon less. अच्छा, कंट्रोल అయితే propanone అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ కూడా PCC PDC, because these objective questions are based on what we discussed the previous method of preparation, PCC or PDC. From unsaturated hydrocarbons, from alkene నుంచి how to prepare. Preparation of like aldehyde and ketone from alkene, from alkyne. Alkene నుంచి అంటే vacuous process మీకు ఇచ్చారు NCERT లో vacuous process నుంచి. From alkyne అయితే very important. 1% 40% H2SO4, 1% HGSO4. Very important reaction from alkynes. How to prepare aldehyde and ketone from alkyne. From alkene అంటే మనకి ఓజోనాలిసిస్ కూడా స్పెషల్ గా మనం ఓజోనాలిసిస్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసాం. ఆల్కీన్స్ లో కార్బోనైల్ కాంపౌండ్, డిరెక్టివ్ ఓజోనాలిసిస్ లో కార్బోనైల్ కాంపౌండ్, ఆక్సిడేటివ్ ఓజోనాలిసిస్ లో కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్ వస్తాయి మనకి. పర్టికులర్లీ ఓజోనాలిసిస్ రియాక్షన్స్. अच्छा, ఇక్కడ చూడండి మనకి హైడ్రేషన్. వాటర్ యాడ్ చేస్తాం ఇన్ ది ప్రెసెన్స్ ఆఫ్ సల్ఫ్యూరిక్ యాసిడ్, 40% సల్ఫ్యూరిక్ యాసిడ్, 1% H2SO4. Let's finish both method of preparations. अच्छा, ओजोनालिसिस. अच्छा, I said ओजोनालिसिस क्या करना, यहाँ ब्रेक करो, put oxygen both side. This is intermediate compound है, not required intermediate compound ये वाला. या सपोज जिंक है, जिंक ऑक्साइड बाहर जाएंगे और वी कैन यूज मिथाइल सल्फाइड है, DMSO बाहर जाएंगे. You can using zinc byproduct is ZnO. If you use dimethyl sulfide byproduct is DMSO. अच्छा देखो 2 moles of formaldehyde, or you can check it out. HCHO 2 moles. Actually, you can write 2 moles of formaldehyde. We discussed it in detail in chapter in reagent, right? देखो कैसा ब्रेक होता है, ऐसा ब्रेक 2 moles of formaldehyde. Use formaldehyde. Just we discussed it in detail in osmosis, right? देखो zinc dust removes H2O2. Otherwise, H2O2 can oxidize aldehydes into acids. What is the zinc dust reducing agent, which can reduce H2O2 into water molecule into H2O2? If you are not removing H2O2, then what happens? It undergoes oxidation whenever aldehyde, not ketone. Whenever C double bond. This bond is there, it will convert into COH or COH, carboxylic acid. Actually, here also R group is there. H2O2 is mild oxygen, it cannot reduce ketones. But most 99% they will ask you only for reductive osmosis. Very rare case they are asking oxidative osmosis. From ethine. अच्छा सिंपल ये वाला वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फंडा है, सो मेनी टाइम्स आस्क है. अच्छा here this catalyst is the promoter. ये कैटलिस्ट है, ये प्रमोटर है. हेवी मेटल आया सर प्रमोटर इन अल्काइन्स है पर्टिकुलरली. अच्छा देखो दिस इज नथिंग बट मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल है. Markovnikov rule है. H is added to one carbon, OH is added to another carbon. But this is unstable है. Unstable compound है. Vinyl alcohol is unstable compound है. Vinyl alcohol is unstable compound है. It again tautomerism ना. Tautomerism क्या है? Hydrogen migrate from 1 to 3rd heteroatom. So double bond is migrate over here. Nothing but CH3 CH2. Suppose मैंने instead of this select you CH3 C triple bond C, because this is important reaction so many times asked previously. Again H, where H is added, where OH is added. Negative part of the reagent according to Markovnikov rule, negative part of the reagent added to double or triple bond of carbon which is having less number of hydrogens. Markovnikov, less number of hydrogens. Negative part is added to double bond or triple bond where less number of hydrogen. Where less number of hydrogen? Here less number of hydrogen. And then we can write CH3 COH double bond CH. Now enol form है, keto enol tautomerism. Enol form है. Enol form में क्या होगा? Hydrogen migrate from 1/3 heteroatom. So double bond is migrate. Tautomerism. ये tautomerism में क्या बनेगा? CH3 C double bond O CH. This is very important conversion. So my conversion is also very important. Like not only this, we can go for phenylester. We get H2-phenol. Again, Markovnikov rule ప్రకారం ఎక్కడ యాడ్ చేయాలి? OH కార్బన్ దగ్గర CH దగ్గర కార్బన్ దగ్గర యాడ్ చేయాలి. సో సపోజ్ కార్బన్ దగ్గర యాడ్ చేస్తే నేను ఏమవుతుందో చూడండి. ఇక్కడ కార్బన్ దగ్గర యాడ్ చేస్తాను అనుకోండి. C6H5 COH double bond CH2. अच्छा tautomerism జరిగితే ఏమవ్వాలి? C6H5 C double bond O CH. अच्छा preparation of H2-phenol also. Preparation of ketones, preparation of aldehyde from alkynes so many times asked in previous competent examinations. The hydration of alkynes independence of reagent also you remember 40% H2SO4, 1% HCSO4. अच्छा tautomerism में ये वाला